So, I bought this cheap Dynasty Ahri costume. Hello once again, it's Emmy here and welcome to the video. Today I am kinda reviewing a costume I bought, and it's the Dynasty Ahri costume. And now I will explain to you why we are here today while I'm unboxing the costume. I love Ahri. It's shocking, I know. And my 15-year-old self was introduced to League of Legends by my friends who were just showing the Ahri splash arts at me, and till then I'm hooked, you know. I mained Ahri for some time in my life and yeah, I made Ahri costume. Well, 2 of them. The 3rd one is in progress, and the 4th one as well. And the 5th one is here being unboxed. No worries, I still have got more cosplays from Persona 5. Everything's okay. Balance is still in the universe. Well, it was Ramadan day and I was just thinking about my Star Guardian Ahri costume, and I sold it, and I was like, yeah, if I still had it I could make this concrete vision of photo I currently have in mind. And well, I found the costume for 35 euros and I was like, yeah, this sounds great. And then I looked slightly to the right and there was this Dynasty Ahri costume and I was like, 26 euros? How much would the fabric cost? How much time would I need to make this costume? Yeah. It took me like 2 days of thinking, and it was like constant thinking about this costume and why should I not buy it. And it was my name's day as well, so well, here we are. I was really surprised with the quality, but it was amazing. The skirt, it was made from the satin, but not the cheap one. It was like really sturdy. It had 2 layers and there was no fraying. There still is no fraying, and I wore it like 2 or 3 times already. All this costume needed was actually just steaming. And that is the sole reason why this video is like 90% of me steaming this costume. But don't worry, there's also a section of me making the ears and telling something about the head accessories and the tail, so please don't skip it. Because yeah, I bought it, but it's only shirt, skirt, the butterfly accessory, small ribbon, and leg things. So I had to make the finishing touches and details. And the sole reason why I left the steaming process so long is because you can really see that from the cheap AliExpress costume it becomes the Dynasty Ahri cosplay that you would buy. Well, I think you should buy it because it's really great. And here you can see the result after steaming. I think it looks so much better, and I recommend use steamer. Steamer is the best thing you can have for cosplay. And now it's time for you to see my part of the work. First I will start with the ears. You should use EVA foam base. I used cardboard, but it was okay. I glued wire on it and then glued the fake fur from both sides, and just used fur trimmer and painted with acrylics and pastels. I also added these clips with the hot glue. Yeah, maybe the headband would be better solution for this, but I already broke 2 headbands, so I didn't want to go this way. Also for the photo shoot I just pinned these ribbons because you can. For the hair accessories I used these chopsticks, I primed them and then I painted them with nail polish, not the acrylics I show you, but nail polish was way better. And also quicker because it didn't need that many layers like the acrylics did. For the special headpiece, I used this ring. It came with my skirt and it was just some kind of accessory, so I decided to use it. And these are the ornaments I used as well. I took aluminium, wrapped it around, and used masking tape, and also I used foam clay to create the shape. I let it dry, then primed it, and I also painted it with nail polish. Here you can see the final result. Since the costume was one size bigger, I needed only to rip the velcro and move it slightly to the right so it would overlap more and it would be just smaller overall. I also did the same for the leg pieces, just ripped off the velcro and resewed again slightly closer to the middle. For the tail, I just made the shape from fake fur and glued it together, then glued the foam and belt on it, and all I need to do was just take belt, and all I needed to do was just put on the skirt, and then the tail was coming out of it because of the velcro. And here you can see it in action. The tail just comes out of the skirt and it looks very good. So overall, I'm very satisfied with the costume. For the price, it was amazing. I had some pretty pictures, and all I can say is I recommend the costume to you, and also buy a steamer so you can make any costume work. Thanks for watching. Goodbye!